What's going on, guys? It is Tony from Wolf Paintball, and today we have the brand new Shocker ERA, and you guys asked for it, so we're going to do an efficiency test. I've got a 68 4500 Ninja tank, and it's filled up to 45. You probably can't see it on the micro gauge, but it's in there, 4500 in the tank. And let's take a guess. How many pods is this bad boy going to be able to shoot?
And take a guess, who's the best source for paintball?
Well, that's not a guess. You guys already know it's lowpaintball.com. So, Mark, what's your guess, man?
I am going to say 11 pods. It's going to finish out that 11th pod and be at 0 air.
Okay, I would guess right around there, probably 11-ish, 10, 11. We'll see. Okay, so pod number 1 going on in. Let's do it. All right, pod 1 done. Pod number 2, let's go. And then I'll do a check-in like normally and kind of look at the gauge and see where we're at. Pod 2. It's beeping at me, thinking I'm getting low on paint, so we're gonna put pod number 3 going on in. Let's make this happen. Oh, no! I dropped one. -1 paintball.
No, it's still there. You could grab. Oh.
No, it's gone. All right, we're going to be going for pod number 4 here in just a second. So this is pod number 4. Shocker ERA, baby, brand new. Pod number 5. All right, we're gonna put in pod 6 and let me take a look at this gauge on this tank.
I'm just disappointed you didn't do this in semi-auto.
Yeah, right, I'd be here forever. All right, so that's 6 pod in here right now. We are looking about 2,500. Okay.
Can we get a pod where you shoot over the signs so that we can hear just the marker?
Sure. That will be pod number 7 then.
Okay, lucky 7.
Number 7. You want it over the sign?
Yeah, so we can just hear the markers sound.
All right, let's do it.
That's a fine sounding machine.
It is nice. It's very, very nice. All right, so we're going for 8. Pod number 8. I'm still going over. If you want me back on the sign, we can do that too.
Whichever.
We'll go back to the sign now. All right, she says, feed me, baby, feed me.
More.
Pod number 9. It's beeping at me. It wants to be fed. So pod 10 going in. Pod number 10. All right, it wants to be fed again, so we're going for 11. Oh, we're teetering dangerously close. We're just below $1,000, I think.
Ding,
just
ding.
below $1,000. So pot 11. Here we go. Is it going to make it through the 11th? What do you think, Mark?
I hope so, because I don't like being wrong.
Okay. Uh-oh. I can see you starting to drop off.
But it made
close.
the 11 though.
You're real close. Let's see. That's not going to make it across the field, Mark. If you were dunking on somebody in the snake, maybe. I think that's all it's got. Yeah, velocity's definitely, oh yeah. It's low, so we're talking the brand new Shocker ERA 68 4500 tank, filled all the way up. You're talking 11 pods. Not too shabby for a brand new gun on the market, that's for sure. I mean, if you're shooting 11 pods in a game, that is a very, very long point. And you guys already know where to get these bad boys. Available in multiple different colors and available now. It's lonewolfpaintball.com.
Where is it?
lonewolfpaintball.com.
One more time.
lonewolfpaintball.com.
See ya.